Hello my good people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Now today we are installing an earth rod. One of the fundi came here and I did not complete installing the earth rod, so there was a short circuit on the shower. When we decided to follow, we came and found that there was no an earth rod, as you can see guys. So we are digging a pit here so that we can find that compacted soil. We were not able to install it to this sandy soil. So as you can see guys, those are earth rods. We want to put two because this property is huge and big. Yeah. Hey. Now guys, this person knew what he was doing, but he did not install that rod. So I'm suggesting when you are building, make sure you do inspection where your fundi is installing your earth rod. Avoid being electrocuted. Now you see guys, now we have found that compacted soil. You see that dark soil there? Up here we were having that sandy soil, so it's not good to install your earth where there is that sandy soil, because it is not good when it comes to sensibility. Now guys, I'm repeating, when you are giving your electrician a job, make sure you do inspection where he has installed your earth rod so that you avoid being electrocuted. As you can see, blade na blade. Now guys, one of the fundi he did not install a thing. You see how he did not even arrange that meter box. So we just came here. The shower was electrocuting people. Guys, this soil was too deep. These are 10.0. Come. These are it is a 10.0 millimeter. You make sure you put large cable with large millimeter so that it can carry that maximum Very soon. Come guys. Now guys, I'm not putting it here. Now guys, as you can see, we have done, but we have not we have not made a treatment. That earthing guys, it is good and it senses. You see, we have done it too. A client was being electrocuted when he was taking shower. So when we came and visited his meter box, we found out that his electrician did not install an earthing system. Now we decided we will do so that he can enjoy. Now don't forget to follow.
Subscribe.
Now don't forget to follow our YouTube channel and subscribe also for more videos like this. Thank you guys. See you next time.